pag-usapan na natin si Art Evangelista. Oh. Did you regret putting her name on that? Because I got your point. Gets ko yung point na sinasabi mo na hindi tayo lahat parang siya, di ba?
Yes, I do. I rarely regret because sometimes, many times, it's really just a misunderstanding of people. But this one, I regret. Wala akong ibig sabihin doon sa sinabi ko patungkol sa kanya. Kumbaga, it's not to put down heart or anything. In fact, kaya ako nga nasabi yun kasi I may know a little bit of Heart's life because I come from the same industry. And what I was trying to say in that text was like, it's a different world, guys. If you think that you could just be pretty like that, hindi pwede na Heart ika bukas, di ba? Nag-isang IV ka lang or what have you. Remember that these people, Hearty, myself included, our job is to look pretty. So we would free ourselves from all the little tasks that make us tired. So say, nagpupuyat ka. So for whatever reason, ang kinonect kasi nila doon was about the anak. But I really wasn't just talking about anak. But yun yung first and foremost example ko as a mom. Na parang ikaw, napupuyat ka sa anak mo, di ba? Kapag, like ako, kung may pera ako, kaya ko mag-hire ng night nurse, di ba? Na ikaw na, ako matutulog ako sa gabi, di ba? At kung yung trabaho ko talaga ay dapat maganda ko, mag-hire talaga ako ng tutulong sa akin. Like now, I have a movie coming up. Matagal na akong hindi buhay artista, but dahil may movie ako na coming up, I need help. I need help kasi hindi ko kayang gumanda without the necessary work, right? So, yeah, but I did regret it because it took away from the point.